Hey guys, today we are making homemade sofrito. This is a super simple staple ingredient that we use in so many different Puerto Rican recipes. It's really easy to make a big batch of this and then you can store it in your fridge or even in the freezer and have it on hand whenever you need it. Everything just gets tossed in a food processor and blended up until it is a smooth consistency like this, and then you're ready to use it. Now, I live in a small town in the US where it's actually very hard to find culantro, but if you can find culantro, please use it. It's going to add so much flavor. In addition to that, we're going to use a blend of cilantro, yellow onion, garlic, and peppers. You can do sweet peppers. I'm just using a bell pepper here because that's what I could find at the grocery store. But feel free to use a blend of sweet or even spicy peppers if that's what you like. It's not traditional to Puerto Rican cuisine, but it does add a lot of flavor if you enjoy spice. Like I said, everything is getting added into our food processor and we're just going to pulse it or blend it until it is smooth and consistent. It's really important that you scrape down the sides. I don't have a fancy food processor, so I'm not able to do that without stopping everything. But essentially, you just need everything to get evenly incorporated, so whatever means necessary, make that happen. And once that's done, we are ready to just transfer our sofrito to an airtight jar that can store in the fridge for up to 1 week. If you do a lot of Puerto Rican cooking, you will use this up very quickly. And honestly, it's great in non-traditional Puerto Rican recipes too. I like to use this as a base in my scrambled eggs or in any recipe where I would use onions and garlic and peppers. Now, if you don't think you'll be able to use it all in a week, you can always transfer this into ice cube trays and freeze. This is so convenient because then you just have sofrito in the freezer whenever you need it. You can just grab a cube and toss it into your pan. You don't even have to let it thaw, really. You can just cook it down in your pan with some oil. And that's it. I hope you give this a try and enjoy. Buen provecho.